Ugh, it's hideous. Look at how bad that is. Slight issues already. I've only got packing tape. We don't have any masking tape, so this is gonna have to do. So the reason why you want to do this is so that you don't accidentally scuff your paint when you sand down your light. But to start off with, we're going to do a 400, then an 800, and then I think I've got a 2000 somewhere. And so we're going to start off with the 400 going across, and then the 800 we're going to go opposing those lines that we've already put in, so that should shave it down so it makes it smooth again. And then the last, I keep getting ants all over me. And then the last one we'll do the 2000 and we'll go back horizontally again. Yeah, we just need a tape around it. This paper's getting annoying. Alright, that already is looking a little bit better than over there. So over here it's all yellow, so that's all the UV protection that's being destroyed pretty much. And then this is with the UV protection all sanded off. So now we're going to go with the 800. I'm going to do a wet sand with that one, and then wipe it down, and we'll go 2000, and then get ready to spray it, and it should hopefully look a lot better than over there.
So then, here's the drama. My metaphysics, let me be perfectly frank, are that there is the sinful self. You could call it God, you could call it anything you like. And it's all of us. It's playing all the parts of all beings whatsoever, everywhere.
Well, in no way is it professional quality, but that's looking pretty good. And then we have that side. That's just, yeah. So I think wet sanding is definitely the way to go when you're doing this. And then the other thing you have to make sure as well, I kind of went wrong on this side and I had to kind of redo it a little bit. Dust coat your first couple of coats of clear coat on first, don't do a wet coat, otherwise it cracks. So I had to sand that down and start it all over again. So dust coat first. Do like 3 layers of like a just really light dust coating. All these damn trucks going past. And then you can do a wet coat. So there you go. Lights are looking pretty good. One step closer to making this Subaru look just that little bit better. Hopefully I see you guys in the next one. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but we'll see what happens.